Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Gather the right tools first to avoid stops. A 10mm socket, 1/4-inch drive ratchet, Phillips screwdriver, panel clip pliers, plastic trim tool, and a flashlight. Work with the car on level ground, parking brake set, and hood prop or strut supporting the hood for safety. Wear gloves and safety glasses to protect hands and eyes. If you will touch electrical connectors, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent short circuits. Then keep all fasteners organized in labeled containers for reassembly. Start by removing the plastic under tray. Undo 6 screws and 4 plastic clips with a Phillips and trim tool, then lower it carefully. From the front, unclip the top bumper fasteners and remove 6 visible 10mm bolts along the grille line, keeping each bolt set separate. Pull back each wheel well liner and remove 12 plastic retainers total, then remove 2 10mm bolts where the bumper meets each fender so the side tabs are free, checking for hidden clips behind the headlight edges. Before pulling the bumper, disconnect electricals. Depress the fog light and turn signal connector tabs and pull straight back, then tape connectors aside. With all bolts, clips, and retainers removed, gently slide each side outward at the fender seams to free the bumper from the side hooks. Then lift the bumper up and off the hood latch hooks while an assistant supports its weight. If any plastic clips resist, use a trim tool to pry evenly to avoid cracking the bumper or scratching the paint, and set the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.